Good test too.
Always make sure you keep it pointed downrange. Okay. Maybe put both hands. There you go. Okay, we'll be comfortable.
No point of impact. Zero.
Really?
None.
That's impressive.
That's why you buy a Thunder Beast, homie.
Hit the dot.
Let go of it.
I think Dave's ready to go PRS, man.
Keep pointing down.
Hit the dot. That's impressive.
One more.
Just that's three in the same hole, okay?
Yeah.
That's an Accurizer.
Little barrel tuner.
Yeah, it's all. Good shot.
Well, you know what else is happening, Dave? There's no bipod hop now. It's like a gigantic mogul brake.
Okay, I want
Hey, you can use that one whenever you.
okay, that's five
All in the same hole?
in the same hole.